So here we are head to head with the Team Redcat MT10-E and the Arrma Granite 4x4. That Arrma is brand new, this is the first run. And they're both running Gens Ace 2S LiPos. Of course the MT10-E has a brushless motor, whereas the Granite has the Arrma brushed motor. And we just did a speed test, and they're both box stock. And the MT10-E went 23 miles an hour and the Granite went 21. So they're pretty closely matched. The only thing that's changed with the MT10-E is the center diff, but that does not change the speed. So that gives you an idea of what you get out of the box in terms of speed, and now we're going to run them around. All right, we're doing a drag race here between the MT10-E and the Granite 4x4, both stock, running 2S LiPos. Ready, set, go! All right, we're gonna be doing a race here. We got some cones set up for our Granite and MT10-E. Set, go! All right, finishing it up here, we just kind of raced these two, the Arrma Granite here on the left now, the Redcat MT10-E on the right. These are really closely matched. The Redcat is brushless, so it's got a little bit more top end speed and punch. It went 23 miles an hour versus 21 for the Granite. But I'd actually say that the Granite handles it a little bit better. It tends to traction roll a little bit less. The suspension is just tuned really nicely. Arrma knows what it's doing with this Arrma Granite. And yeah, and in fact in racing I would say that Granite is just a little bit better on a tight course. So if that's something you like to do, you might like the Granite more. These are both great options for anyone looking to get into monster trucking. See you next time.